on my right. He rolled down the window of his shiny new Jag and challenged me then and there to a drag. I said, you're on, buddy, my rules running fine. Let's come off the line now, it's sunset and line. But I'll go you one better if you got the nerve. Let's race all the way to Dead Man's Curve. There's no place to play. Dead Man's Curve, you best keep away. Dead Man's Curve, I can hear him say, won't come back from Dead Man's Curve. The strip was deserted late Friday night. We were bugging each other while we sat out the light. We both popped the clutch when the light turned green. You should have heard the whine from my screaming machine. I blew a glass of Freya, slapped some twisted hearts, and all the Jag could see were my fishtail lights. He passed me a Domini and I started to swerve, but I pulled her out and there I was. Dead Man's Curve. Dead Man's Curve. Well, the last thing I remember, Doc, I started to swerve. Then I saw the Jag slide into the curve. I know I'll never forget that horrible sight. I guess I found out for myself that everyone was right. Won't come back from Dead Man's Curve. Dead Man's Curve, there's no place to play. Dead Man's Curve, you best keep away. Dead Man's Curve. She really feels looking real tough with chrome reverse wheels. Blue corner wax job sure looks pretty. Gonna get my chicken, make it out to Drag City. Well, I'm gonna Drag City. Runner through now. Drag City. Wanna see you now. Drag City. Runner through now. Drag City. Wanna see you now. Burn up that corner mile. DJ saying of my favorite station. Drag City races are the fastest in the nation. Rails are the wildest and the stockers are pretty. Get my honey, grab some money, split the Drag City. Well, I'm gonna Drag City. Runner through now. Drag City. Wanna see you now. Drag City. Runner through now. Drag City. Wanna see you now. Burn up that corner mile. Running rubber tickets so it fills the air. Vinyl gears, jacking up, action everywhere. Corporate flags, wheels, and so sound pretty. Hear the cheers, ring your ears out of Drag City. Well, I'm gonna Drag City. Runner through now. Drag City. Wanna see you now. Drag City. Runner through now. Drag City. Wanna see you now. Burn up that corner mile. Burn up that corner Round, round, get around, I get around, get around, round, round, 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 I get around. right to leave the best girl home on a Saturday night. I get around, round, round, I get around. 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 Round, round, get around, I get around. Get around, round, round, 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 I get around. Get around. Hawaii, there's a place known as Waimea Bay where the best surfers in the world come to stay. Ride the wild surf, they come to try to conquer those waves some 30 feet high. Ride, ride, ride the wild surf. Ride, ride, ride the wild surf. Ride, ride, ride the wild surf. Gotta take that one last ride. Surf season brings them here to meet the test, and hanging around the beach you'll see the best. They're waxed up and ready, just a waiting for the surf to build up on the northern shore.